Hi, I'm Shivam Kumar. This is Sanjay K. We graduated from Saptahi College of Engineering. We are batchmates and also classmates. After graduating, I was searching for an opportunity to work in a core domain company. So I was finding everywhere on Google and other websites where can I join a particular course. Then my friend Sanjay recommended me to join Emertxe. He gave me a feedback on how the course is structured and how they teach. After taking the feedback, I joined Emertxe.
When I was doing my graduation, I got a suggestion from one of my teachers to join Emertxe. So here the training will be everything industry oriented. So whatever they teach in class, you will be implementing it through assignments or projects. So mentors will give one-to-one attention. Whatever doubts you have, they'll stay with you and clear everything. So the process will be smooth and you will not have any difference between the interview and these trainings. You will know everything what they ask in interview, and there will be nothing that you don't know.
As the course progresses and various number of modules are completed, there will be interview prep sessions and other mock interviews which will help you to grow yourself. And after all these, we got an opportunity to sit in an interview and we finally got placed in a premium company which is Wind River. Thank you Emertxe for your support in this entire journey.
Thank you, Emertxe.